Have you lost your tripod quick release plate? My name's David, and today I'm going to show you how you can make your very own. You are going to need a sheet of cork with adhesive back, a block of wax to carve, some carving tools, umu, a resin, this is task 2, the walls of your mold, this is a yogurt container which I'm going to cut, tripod screw, ease release 200 to help the mold come out, and finally the base for your mold. Alright, looks like we have everything and we are good to go. Cut a smaller block of wax from the larger block and shape it until it fits correctly into the tripod head. You'll also need to make a pocket cut for the tripod screw to nest in. Do a good job because this will be the pattern for your mold. For your mold, hot glue down the walls to your base and coat everything with ease release. Make sure that your plate is face down so that the umu will be touching the pocket cut. Umu works with a 1-to-1 ratio of both parts, so measure and then mix accordingly. From there, carefully pour and pour slowly over your part to make sure that it is completely covered and there's extra material on top. Let that cure for at least an hour and a half. Once you've allowed it to cure, carefully remove the walls and remove your mold as well. You want to make sure as you remove the wax part that you don't do it with too much force because you don't want to damage your new silicone mold. You'll want to make your resin now. Task 2 is also 1-to-1, so measure and mix accordingly. You'll want to mix for a long time to make sure that both components are well mixed together. Next, coat your mold with some more ease release and carefully pour. Make sure that you have good coverage and that there's enough material. Let that sit for about an hour. After that, carefully remove your part. And you'll probably need to do some sanding. I use this block of wood here with the sandpaper to help give a good surface which I can both hold and sand on. Using the top of your new tripod plate, measure out the proper size of cork and cut it out. Remove the adhesive back, stick it on top of your tripod plate, and make a hole for your tripod screw. So, if you did everything correctly, you should have a new, fully functioning tripod plate. Happy shooting!